Good morning, this is Jasper Bol from Aqipa. I'm brand manager for the brand Teac and Esoteric, and I'm at booth F214 to show you the highlights of Teac and Esoteric. So let's start with Teac. We have this year only one new product. More will follow later this year, but let's focus on what we have. This is the UD507 headphone amp, preamp, discrete DAC. So the biggest change compared to the UD505X we have now is that it has a discrete DAC, just like with the 7 series. The discrete DAC is also implemented in the 5 series now. It has a fully balanced headphone output and it has a preamp section. This is a start of a complete replacement of the 5 series. Some really cool products will come, but that will be for a next one. Then we go over to Esoteric, because also there is some exciting news. So over here we have the latest versions of the K1 XD and K03 XD. They both got the SE upgrade. In basics, 3 things are changed. The clock module is changed to an in-house developed discrete clock, which is derived from the Grandioso G1X technology. The output boards, the analog output boards for the DAC is changed. So the parts are changed in quality, and they also got different values. And also the op amps are changed to an in-house developed on specification built version. And that has a very big impact on the sound signature, but also on the sound quality. So that's a big change. We're looking forward to start rolling out these new products. Over here we have some other exciting news. It's the Esoteric G1 XD master clock generator. So we have the G05, of course, for the 5 series. We have the Grandioso G1X, which is the flagship model. And in between now we have the G1 XD clock. It has the same clock crystal as used in the Grandioso G1X. It has 2 power supplies. It has a full-size chassis. And with that, the lineup of clocks is complete. So this is like really exciting, and with that you can upgrade the K03 XD and the K1 XD in sound quality, but you can also use it with the N1X SE. I will show you later. Then over here we have the new integrated amplifiers. So 2 integrated amplifiers are launched. We have the FL1, which is a 2x30 watts Class A amplifier. As you can see, the design is changed to a more modern appearance. The buttons are bigger, and both now have a very nicely integrated front cover, which hides the fully balanced headphone output, and also the menu where you can change the tone control. On the back, we have fixed 3 ES-Link inputs, so you don't need the optional board anymore. And you have them in 2 versions. You have the FL1, and the FL1 is a 30 watt Class A amplifier, and you have it as an FL2, which is 2x120 watts Class AB. And the magic is happening on the bottom, and that's the external power supply. And the cool thing about that is that you can supply power to the preamp section. So the big power supply in the integrated amplifier is only used for the power amp section, and the PS01F power supply feeds the preamp section that deals with the very small signals. So that's completely separated. So with that you have, let's say, the quality of a separate preamp and power amp in a smaller package. So that's the integrated amplifiers. Really exciting news. Later this year the optional DAC board will follow with HDMI input and ESS DAC chips. So that's going to be available later. Then we go to the N1X SE and the Grandioso K1X SE, who both had the SE upgrade. So again, discrete clock module, changed DAC boards and different feed, and some other changes that really put them again one step up from the former models. Besides all the esoteric highlights I just showed you, I just want to give a special big thank you to our partners that provided the speakers and the cables. So this year we play with the Wilson Audio Alexia V speaker. Last year we had the Sasha Da, now we have the Alexia V, and I have to say the synergy with the esoteric equipment, but a lot of our customers already use it and know it, is really impressive. So Wilson Audio, Alexia V. And the cabling you see here, all the filtering, the cabling is all done by Shunyata Research. So the guys did a great help in installing everything for us. And with that, we have a perfect triangle with Wilson Audio, Shunyata, and Esoteric. And it does the magic. So come over and see, come over and listen, and convince yourself about the sound quality and the new equipment. And I'm here to answer all your questions.